Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a quick update to the patch Tuesday of today. We are the second Tuesday of the month of April 2019. This means that we are getting security updates today. Plus, there's a few bug fixes. So lots of interesting stuff happening. Security updates, of course, are important to apply. They are available for Windows 7, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10. It's something very, very important to apply. Please do so. Do not listen. I heard so much as a tech guy of people saying, oh, well, people tell me not to install those because they have viruses and so on. Don't believe that. It's not true at all. These are actually on the other side of the scale. They're actually super important if you want to keep your computer safe. So just head on to your Windows updates and check for the update. It also has, for some versions of Windows, bug fixes. Apparently they seem to be more focused on Windows 10, but there are some bug fixes mixed in with the security updates. So once again, Windows 7, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10 users are getting Patch Tuesday updates. Quick note that if you're on Windows 10 version 1709 or the Fall Creators Update, this is the last Patch Tuesday update for you guys. You need to move on to the next version or another version of Windows 10 because it won't get any of the security updates anymore if you don't have it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.